Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to create the Windows 11 bootable USB flash. We need to download one software. Search for refuse.ie. We need this software for creating bootable USB and also download Windows 11. Scroll down, download Refuse 4.15. It is done. Open it. For creating bootable and also for downloading Windows ISO, double click on Refuse. Yes. Wait a few moments. Here we have this drop down. Click in this button, select download. Click on download. Here we have Windows 11 and Windows 10. I want to download Windows 11. Select Windows 11, continue. Select Windows release. It is 25H2. Continue. Select edition. It is Home Edition, Pro and Education. Continue. Select your language. English International is okay. Continue. Select architecture. You can select x64 and AMR64 depend on your hardware. You can download using a browser and also you can download directly. Click on download. Select your folder. Where do you want to save this ISO? I want to save it on download. Save. I have already downloaded Windows 11. I don't need it. When this step finished, click on close. Okay. Now we have Windows 11 here. For creating Windows 11 bootable USB, you need to plug in one USB flash drive 8 gig or above 8 gig. My USB flash is 16 gig. It is enough. Again, double click on Refuse. Yes. Refuse detect USB flash drive automatically. Select. Now find the ISO you download before. It is on download for me. Open. You can leave everything as default or you can change volume label. Start. Okay. Okay. Warning, all data on device Windows 11 blah 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 will destroyed. Okay. Now it is start to creating Windows 11 bootable flash drive. Please wait. When it is finished, close it. Now come back to this PC. Look, nothing happened. Unplug USB flash. Again, plug in. Look here. After creating bootable, you will see this Windows logo. It means your flash is ready to install Windows. Guys, if you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Don't forget to like this video. Have a good time. See you soon.